Did you say it's going down a cliff? So we took a trail. I just followed Onyx off-road map thing, and now we're in a super tight trail. This is our first time in the Olympic National Forest, so it's all new to us. Tony's over there cutting down a tree or something, hanging a little bit too low. Bond. This trail goes on pretty far, huh? I thought it was gonna end.
It's almost, yeah.
It's almost there?
We're almost up to that right turn.
She's pretty crazy. Huh?
I know.
Feel like an alien land. Totally alien to us. Totally different forest. Going through some super tight trails. And when it's not tight, it seems like it's just like we got ledges on both sides.
Well, the left turn was supposed to be here, but it looks like it's going down the cliff.
Did you say it's going down a cliff?
Left turn was supposed to be right there, but it looks like it goes down the cliff.
Okay, do we need to turn around?
Yeah, I'm trying to find a spot to turn around.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna back up then.
You got room over here.
Okay.
See another right turn up here. Supposed to be a right turn.
So we turned around, we went to a dead end basically. Can't really, it wasn't big enough to camp in, so we gotta turn around, try to find a spot. Might even have to camp near the side of the road if we have to. There's a big enough spot for it. On the spot, looks like a pretty decent spot. We're kind of right by the river too, so that's a plus. But we'll see. Let's see, yeah.
You couldn't believe how much fucking that thing stunk though. I was like,
Yeah.
holy fuck. Like somebody died out there.
Yeah, no, not down there. Over here. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a good spot.
Pretty dry spot.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think these trees will fall down. They don't.
No, they're pretty, looks pretty stable. Except for this one over here.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one looked dead. It looked dead almost.
Yeah.
But these other ones, this one might be a dead one too. So we just gotta park
Over here.
out of the, yeah. We just can't park right next to these widowmakers. They look pretty dead. But I mean, the spot looks pretty decent though,
Yeah,
right?
right here.
Yeah, yeah. One of us here, and then the other one right here, and then we got like a fire pit right here. So
We just need to put the awning close like this. So
yeah. Oh yeah.
You gotta back in, right? Where's your awning?
My awning's on.
Okay, so after you add the chicken stock, then what?
Cornstarch to help it thicken up.
I'm like, what the hell, man? And I'm like,
That's my help. I don't know what you're doing over here, praying or something, but yeah, I think the lighter fluid will do better.
I was like, shut up right now. And he's like, oh. I was like, I'm
The Blair Witch Project going on over there.
These fuckers started laughing. I was like, don't.
Vaughn was like, why did you have to say that? Now we really got to get out. He jinxed us.
I did.
Well, once he said that, you're like, we got to get out. Get out. I don't care where we go. We just got to get the out of here. So the rain just would not let up at all. It was a constant all night long. It just kept on raining. The video doesn't do it justice because we're underneath the trees. Can't see much of it. Hey, good morning. It was a decent night. Pretty much rained all night. Our clothes got super wet. Everything on the table got wet that we left out. But yeah, we woke up to this river. Right now we're just all getting ready to go, packing up. We drove probably a good 4 or 5 hours to get here. I guess more like 4. But yeah, it's pretty far. Even though it's still in Washington, the 101 takes you, it's a scenic route, so there's a lot to look at. It's not a straight shoot, so a lot of curves and winds along the roads. But yeah, we're gonna go get some pictures of the beach, of the rock formations. Yeah, so stay tuned. Got here to Rialto Beach. Kind of cloudy, hazy, but at least there's no rain. That looks super nice out here. Seas, the water, the waves, pretty violent. Short ferry ride. It's only like a 15-minute ferry ride from Kingston to Edmonds.